Alright, what's up? I'm back with another video. Ashton is in the front room. He's going to start on this bag. We're going to start on the TV for the Nintendo. And Jared and Riley are outside riding bikes with Wyatt. There he is right here. But we're going to be building on the Nintendo today. And go like, subscribe, comment. And we're going to get started. Alright, yeah, he's going to start building on bag number what? What number bag was it that we left off?
6?
I think that's 9. Because I think we got way past 9. We're on the second booklet.
Here, just move back a page.
It is 9.
Yeah, it's 9.
Yeah.
I opened it the wrong way.
Yeah. Alright, just make sure your trash goes in the trash and you don't lose any pieces. We'll see where he's at in a few minutes. Here, I'll take that for you. But yeah, we got that Nintendo built. Looks awesome. I'll have to find a spot for it. We might play the Super Mario levels later if when we take a break. Yeah, I was messing with it this morning. Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna get started on this and keep on watching. Go like, subscribe, and also thank you for all the new subscriptions, because I just got a bunch in the last couple days. So yeah, so thank you. We're gonna check in on Ashton.
Thing hit me.
Oh. It got you on the finger, like pinched it.
I'm just glad it was a full-on cut.
See, look, this is one of those gear parts that the TV runs on, like the TV screen part. So I guess next bag will probably be pretty technical. So if you want me to build it, I'll build it.
Build what?
The technical bag,
Oh,
the
yeah.
next one. If it is.
If it is technical.
Yeah.
If it's not.
Or I'll walk you through it at least.
I might just let you build it.
That's what I mean, if it's not too bad, if it's like something small. But, alright, I'm also going to show you a little bit of the collection of what I have. Again. Everything in the front room is basically my Star Wars. That needs to go back up on the stand right there, but yeah, the Boba Fett Slave 1 ship. But yeah, got a decent collection of the Star Wars. I want more, but and then here's all like the Avengers. I need to redo this shelf to where it can hold all of it. But I have every single Star Wars poster, movie poster, for the first 9 movies. But, and then the Lego fish tank. Wish I had more lighting in the hallway where you could see it better. And I cleaned up the city from the other day because the kids were all playing with every set that I have. Playing the chicken game. Hide the chickens in the city and try to find it. Alright, I'm gonna let Ashton build more. There's my 2 new Mario figures. We'll probably pull that game down and set it up in a cool way and do a video on that. But yeah, go like, subscribe, and comment. How far have you gotten?
Almost.
What step? Number 31?
25.
No, it's 31.
On this, I'm on page 35.
Oh, that's
25.
the page. Okay.
25.
Page
That's
number.
the step.
Yeah. Dang, it's looking pretty good. It's decent size. Alright, so then you'll be back on bag number 10 in a minute?
Yeah.
You'll be on bag number 10. Let's find it.
And that's probably going to be your part.
I think there's only one bag number 10. Nope, another one. There's the 11. Well, okay. Yeah, we still have all of this on the TV still. And then 2 bags right here. But, yeah, we're going to get back to it.
What is that little part? And I already put it on.
What was it?
It was this.
Oh, that little green circle. Man, it looks pretty good. I like it. It's one of the sets that I really badly wanted when they put it out. Bag number 10. He's got to mess with some pretty technical looking pieces here and there.
Me and Riley.
Yeah, oh yeah, Riley's going to help him build this bag, or these couple bags too.
Yeah.
Yeah, they came back in from playing with Wyatt, so we're going to finish off this and probably play some Super Mario levels later with the starter pack. Alright, Jared and Ashton are watching TV and Riley's building on the TV. They've got to about this part. They got some of the mechanics in there. So Riley's on it now. If you need help, just let me know. We're going to cook some homemade pizzas in a second. And we'll show you that too. How good they turned out. But he's on bag number 10. This thing, the TV did get a little bit bigger, didn't it? Riley's on bag number 65, and he's got the handle on. I mean, step number 65, not bag 65. If there's 65 bags, we'd be building this for months.
Years.
But he's got the handle on, and he's about to start a whole nother bag. He doesn't have too many pieces left. Alright, let's go cook some pizzas. Riley finished off bag number 10, and Ashton is starting on bag number 11 with Riley. We got some pizzas in the oven.
Now I'm watching My Hero Academia because I want to watch someone get shot in the kneecaps.
Like you said on that one video.
Yeah. But it's not the episode, so.
But what does it look like so far? Hold it up where I can see it because it's in your lap.
Trying to do something. Trying to finish this little part off.
Looks like you're building up side pieces on it, like the brown parts.
We are. This book is way smaller than the other one.
Pretty sure when I was a kid I owned one of these TVs, like the real full-size one.
The other book was way...
Pretty sure I ran a Nintendo off of one.
Hon, just listen.
Yeah, it's all the gears down there moving.
No, it's this. Watch. Hon, if you leave this up,
oh yeah,
no sound. But if you put that down, Rose showed me that. I was wondering what that sound was. I thought something was messed up in it, like something collapsed in.
No, it's all the little gears moving.
I started looking around and I went, oh, it's that little thing like that. I'm like, oh, okay.
Whoever made this it was pretty technical, and they did a good job on it. I like it. But get back to it, and I'll go check it on your pizzas. She's a good
Stealing your
girl.
dog.
You can't steal my dog.
Yes, I
She's
can.
everybody's dog. But Jared is on bag number what?
Riley is. I'm just kidding.
Oh, Riley's just Jared's just organizing for
Stealing
Riley.
your dog.
So Riley is on bag number what?
12.
12 now. Okay.
Stealing.
And it already looks like this. And then Jared's going to be helping me with the technical pieces next. It looks like it. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be the track pieces that everything runs is on.
The dog's
Built
not
up
mine.
on.
I'm gonna go
So-
ride my bike home with this dog.
You are not stealing my dog.
Yes, I am. It's an adorable dog. I want it.
I know, she's cute, but... Okay, Riley's going to eat pizza and Jared's going to build this bag. So, you're on bag number, what, 12? Yeah, 12.
Meow.
So, go for it.
Meow. Meow.
Riley's got his pizza almost done. And I'm making a couple more. And I got Jared's pizza in the oven. So we're gonna keep making pizzas and keep building Legos for your entertainment. And Jared is eating his that just came out. Looks pretty good. But we got to a stopping point for the second where he can eat. But he built up pretty much the whole sidewalls on this thing. Looks pretty good. And he got the antenna on. Oh, you do? Okay, I'm gonna leave it then. But yeah, that's where we've gotten to. Yeah. But we're gonna be building this whole part next. So stay tuned. And then she's just sitting over here waiting for somebody to drop some pizza. She's taking up her post over there for any food crumbs dropped on the floor. She's just eyeballing that pizza. She hasn't even broke contact. Okay, that's where we're going to end this video. We're on bag number 13. That's what we'll be starting tomorrow. I will be building tomorrow in the morning. They have built most of this so far by themselves. But this is what we've got. Looks pretty cool so far. Later on I'll shine up the side pieces. But they got all the crank part in there. They got it all working good. So yeah, we'll start it tomorrow and probably finish it off. So stay tuned. I'll be working on trying to build a police station pretty soon. And I don't know, I'll probably finish up some of the graveyard. I gotta build a couple more tombstones, put some green and some, like, make it look like more like a graveyard. What else do I gotta work on? I don't know. Getting some more plates. Definitely. Road plates and base plates. But yeah. Go like, subscribe. Go like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.